Hello, I'm going to take this time to talk about this activity, which is creating graphs. And an easy way to begin to complete this activity is by getting your document ready. So if you're using Google Doc, make sure that you open your Google Doc, or if you're using Word, open that document. Now, once you do that, you want to create the heading and your unique title. Now, the heading includes your name, your first name, last name, the name of the course, your teacher's name, and the date. Don't forget about the header. In the header, you're going to have your last name followed by the page number. So think about this. Let's say that this is your document. Oops. Then right here on the left, you have your name, the date, your teacher's name, and the course name. And then right here in the upper left hand, you're going to have your last name, comma, and the page number. And that goes on the header. Then um, the body of the document, you're going to have sections. You're going to have three sections: graph 1, graph 2, and graph 3. And that's the place that you are going to insert the three graphs. Now, remember that here they're giving you choices. For example, let me see, let's go to the first one. The first one, the first graph, you have the choice of creating a line graph or a bar graph. So either one is fine. And there's several ways that you can create that graph. You can use Excel, create the graph, copy the graph, and then insert it in the document. If you decide to do a bar graph for this one, you do the same thing. Once you create the graph, you are going to copy the graph and insert it in that graph 1 section. Now, if you're having trouble figuring out how to create the graph, please, you need to take a look. You need to take a look at the instructions right here because they're giving you several choices. You can create that graph using Excel, or you can use Apple Numbers or Google Sheets. The important thing is that whatever method you use, you need to make sure that your graph has a title and the axes are labeled correctly, and that you have a scale division on that graph. So I hope this helps you. And again, I will recommend that you set up your document first and then work on the graphs. Once you have the graph, then insert those graphs into the document. Thank you.